Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be answering the question, is there a way to prevent duplicates on your form? This might be done for several reasons, but before we jump into that, if you are new to this channel, please click and subscribe. And also, if you do not have a Jotform account, there is a free account that you can jump into. You can also make use of the links that I've put in the description below. So, how do you prevent duplication? Well, there are settings which have been put within Jotform forms which you can make use of. So if you get into your form, you'll find that there is this tab which says settings. You go to that one, and there are several tabs here which deal with different forms of the settings that you can change, but we want to go to form settings here. So when you get there, you usually find two of these, title and form status, but you should click show more options. There is an option that you can make use of so that you stop people from making duplicate entries into your form. For example, you might want someone just to visit your form once, or you do not want someone to enter several entries into your form, and you can identify that by making use of some of these settings. So the first thing that you can make use of is the unique submission. What it does is that it uses cookies or IP addresses to prevent multiple form submissions. So this helps if you want a person to make only a single entry onto your form. So what it does is it can check the cookies only, or it can check the cookies and the IP address. So if someone tries to visit again, they can make another submission. You can also make use of the unique field there. Yeah, say you have a mandatory email that is to be filled in your form, so you make use of the email. So it checks to see if a person has used a similar email before. If they have, then they cannot proceed. So this also is a unique field that you can make use of. And also there is another security feature that you can make use of. We find it up here, which is password protection. It actually limits access to your form. So people who have the password are able to fill in the form, which means a select group of people who have access to the password are the ones who have access to that form. So by making use of these form settings, you can actually limit multiple entries, or you can limit or put security on your form.